Morning traders. So here we go. This is a statement that's been present in the trading room for weeks. Intelligent trader knows with a single glimpse that since December market been bought, market not selling off. In front of you we are at critical key institutional support. Price been here for the last 3 days. So if market not selling off, not collapsing from this level, it's a problem. Institutional holds are on. JP Morgan traders whom I coach who trade Alpha Fibonacci System holding longs. Do you know how they trade? Do you know how they think? If you don't, you cannot become successful. I teach you how to trade as top 1% does. I teach you how to trade as intelligent, brilliant hedge fund trader. The support holding the key. If price will remain stuck at this level, market is a major mess. With the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, with a single glimpse, you know, spectacular versus nasty markets. This is nasty. This is the name of the game. So the crash is a beautiful news. This is day trading level. We're stuck. We need sell-off. We need the crash. Without this, this is broker's heaven. So say your prayers for the crash this morning. If not, a major mess remains. Intelligent trader on sidelines. Intelligent trader trades only power. Has zero interest in paying for brokers' vacations, for brokers' dinners, for brokers' events. So please train your brilliant, magnificent brain to live and breathe as limitless human being, not as a little trader who is chasing little point, grab a point one, a point two, a point three, oops, that's gambling. Success is not possible if you're chasing a lucky point when institutional holds are on. This is a test you must pass every day. When institutional holds are on, markets are extremely challenging. With a single glimpse, Alpha Fibonacci trader knows this morning the only brilliant option to be on sideline. If market not selling off, if market heading higher, that's not the market you want to trade. That's it. Bold red line told you that. Sell off is the only option this morning. And when market moving to the downside, it's a beautiful news. That's it. Use your brilliant brain. When market moving fast, it's not the time to jump on bandwagon. 80% of your trade is done before trade is present. You understand where your targets are. You understand where your stops are. You are not gambling with your money. You're using your brilliant, magnificent brain. And that's the only option this morning. There is nothing else. But when you choose to trade overextended rally, you understand you have extremely limited trading space. So please manage your trade extremely carefully. Do not gamble, do not speculate. And that's massive, massive job you are dealing with this morning. Correct? That's it. Price is stuck. I'm projecting software on 1-minute chart so you can see clearly where problem is coming from, causing major problem to the downside. All discussions in the live class. Again, intelligent trader knew with a single glimpse where the problem would be. Gambler who is jumping on a random short, not a clue. That's it. Major mess in front of you. Simple and pure. That's a market that's been present for hours. There is nothing else. So when you live and breathe as a professional trader does, you're taking a week off. This institutional hold will test you to the core. Institutional traders in spectacular profit. So if I take you back to the end of December, where institutional traders were taking position, you were extremely well prepared. You shorted the top. You understood very clearly months in advance. This is not the place to short near. So when I'm going back to December 19th, this was the market after sell-off. This was the place to buy, not to short into. So before I left on vacation, we discussed with my brilliant, intelligent traders, look to buy, not to sell. Here comes stunning bullish rally from. So when you trade with institutions, you are glued to the screen when institutions taking positions. You are not a gambler. You're not shorting into. You are buying from this level. So today, here we are, day before Valentine's Day. Where are the markets? February 13th. My goodness. At 4100. Entirely different trading. Trade that tested to the core. No shorts near this level. We've been here for the last week. Institutional traders 300 plus points in profit. Enjoying holding longs, not shorting the markets. So when you are stuck in such brutal trading range, nothing else is possible, only this. Price does this at least 40% of the time. Institutional long holds are the worst, most challenging markets to trade because they can last very long time. Crashes do not last, rallies do. So again, market not selling off, it's a major problem. Trader tested to the core. So here's Bitcoin, my favorite chart, start of the crash. You remember that part? You're not listening to hype, you're not listening to noise, you are not a gambler. November 2021. Here we are. You're using your brilliant, magnificent brain. You understand extremely well. This is where Bitcoin crashed from. One more year, correct? We're November 22. We need to go to November 2021. That's where we are. Correct? The hype on the news is on. It's exact same thing in front of you. Can you respect the brick wall? Can you understand how challenging this is? There is nothing else. Bitcoin or S&P or Dow or pound or euro, it's all the same. Your success starts from separating brutal versus spectacular markets. Bitcoin bullish rally overextended. On the news, this what was happening in 2021. Tom Brady and Giselle hyping FTX. Where are they right now? My goodness, that's what's happening to those who trading on hype. Trillion plus dollars lost in crypto hype. So are you done listening to hype? Are you done listening to gamblers? If you cannot afford to lose 6 billion in one day, use your brilliant brain. So, Bill Ackman lost 400 million on Netflix. How is it possible? Look at that. Let's go to Netflix. If it's Netflix or Bitcoin or if it's an S&P, it's any instrument. You're losing your brilliant brain. You are not buying Netflix at 700. November 2021 was a spectacular month for shorts, not longs. Intelligent trader trades so much better with Alpha Fibonacci system than all the hype, all the noise on crypto, on Netflix. That's it. If you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. Stay in your lane. Can you do that? Here's Netflix right now. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you're buying the bottom. You're not shorting Netflix near. Exact same thing playing out right now on crypto. But you need to know where to enter, where to exit. You are not gambling, you are not speculating. You are not listening to hype and noise. Here's one more. Tesla. Look at that sell-off. Spectacular press taking. Also November 2021. Not the place to buy Tesla, the place to exit your long. Market will continue crashing and rallying with vengeance. But what is the most important lessons of this crash? Crashes do not last, rallies do. Look to buy the bottom and sell the top. Can you do that? Cassie Woods, another major trader on Wall Street. She's actually doing a lot better right now. Her loss is still astronomical. 63%. On Tesla, she was down 80 plus. Easy to trade someone else's money, correct? My goodness. So with Alpha Fibonacci system, you're using your brilliant brain. You're not gambling with money. So when you start using your brilliant brain, your limitless, spectacular brilliant brain, and start trading much better than Wall Street traders, I look forward working with you. You're done gambling, you're done chasing lucky point, you start understanding that market is strategic, intelligent chess. I look forward working with you. You can trade any instrument, any time frame. Listen to students' podcasts, view students' emails. Every trade a different account, every trade a different background. I cannot upload thousands and thousands of emails I receive, but emails coming consistently. This never gets old. Carlton, my dearest friend for life. I'm meeting him in Florida next. Carlton just referred his friend, Patrick, but he referred few prior friends before. Steve, trading completely different instrument than Patrick. Steve is trading it all. Emergency room doctor flew to California for lunch. I'm meeting traders next in New York. Steve had done just fine with Bitcoin, laughing when other doctors were buying Bitcoin at 60 and 70. Trading metals, commodities, trading it all. And when oncologist retired trading Alpha Fibonacci system, Richard doing with Tesla just fine. Exited his long-term multi-million-dollar positions, buying bottom on Tesla. And that's the crucial key part, separating mess from spectacular markets. You decide what you want to trade. Can you trade crypto? Of course. Can you trade Forex? Absolutely. Can you trade Nasdaq with two little babies on your hands? Absolutely. Just start avoiding the mess. Trade the power. And when the bootcamp coming up in March, there was no bootcamp for the last 2 years. I never repeat the same bootcamp again. You signing up right now, you are very, very lucky, because very few will receive bootcamp with every package and will learn ultimate way to trade conservatively. Alpha Fibonacci system. So please review everything on the website and decide what's appropriate for you. Private mentoring including it all. Lifetime system, lifetime software for Ninja 8, video library module, savings $8,000. Second course, the most popular course. Video library 350 plus of prior live recorded classes included. So please review everything on the website, and if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. You will stop trading on hype. You will start using your brilliant, intelligent brain and start trading markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess.